Sifiso Tabete tried to land his signature backflip, but it cost him his life, while Giannis, a Greek bodybuilder, had his ego bruised so badly he snapped and charged at a judge. These are the most unforgettable moments when bodybuilders lost control, right on stage. Sifiso Tabete. Few incidents are as immediately shocking and heartbreaking as what happened to South African champion Sifiso Tabete in 2017. Tabete wasn't just any competitor. He was a beloved figure in the South African bodybuilding community, known not only for his impressive physique, but also for his charismatic stage presence and his signature move that would ultimately cost him everything. Sifiso Tabete was attempting his signature backflip during a 2017 competition when he lost physical control mid-air, landing on his neck and breaking it, leading to his death. The incident, which was captured on video and later circulated widely, shows the horrifying moment when what should have been a triumphant display of athleticism became a fatal accident that would send shockwaves through the entire bodybuilding world. Now, it's easy to criticize him for attempting something so extreme, but the reality is, in recent years, many bodybuilding competitors have taken their routines to new heights, literally. Gone are the days when only mandatory poses would suffice. Today's routines often include dance sequences, acrobatics, and dramatic flourishes meant to dazzle both judges and spectators. Tabete had earned a reputation for exactly that. His signature backflip wasn't just a stunt, it was a crowd favorite, a moment audiences waited for and roared in response to. But in 2017, during what should have been a routine performance, something went horribly wrong. As Tabete launched into his trademark backflip, a move he had nailed countless times before, something faltered. He lost control mid-air. The precise cause remains uncertain, but experts have pointed to the inherent risks of acrobatics in a sport where competitors are carrying extreme muscle mass and tight conditioning, both of which reduce mobility and increase injury risk. At first, everything looked fine. The takeoff was smooth, but within a split second, it all unraveled. Whether it was a slight misjudgment, a momentary lapse in spatial awareness, or an unlucky shift in his center of gravity, something went off. Instead of landing on his feet, Tabete crashed down on his neck. Some say it was the sock. He never wore socks during flips, but that day, for some reason, he did. And some believe that tiny change made all the difference. The aftermath was swift and devastating. Medical personnel rushed to the scene, but the damage was already done. The impact had broken Tabete's neck, and despite the best efforts of emergency responders, he could not be saved. What had begun as a celebration of physical achievement and artistic expression had turned into an unspeakable tragedy that would haunt everyone who witnessed it. The reaction from the bodybuilding community was immediate and profound. Fellow competitors, fans, and industry professionals alike were forced to confront the reality that their sport, while generally safe when performed according to traditional parameters, could become deadly when competitors pushed beyond those boundaries in pursuit of entertainment value and competitive advantage.